Hey, welcome to my recap with live trades. I hope you enjoy this content. I got smoked today, basically down about 5.5%, I believe. Um, just couldn't get. I mean, I didn't really get smoked, but it just wasn't good. But a couple times I had opportunities to take profits, and I didn't. I didn't get filled, and so I tried to take profits, and I threw orders out in the ask. Just didn't get filled. So timing was just a little off. Market conditions were really janky. So first trades on AMD on the far right here. Actually, I had two. I had a Tesla, a little $23 loser and a coin $10 loser. This should have been my first red flags there. But I didn't listen to that. So Nvidia here kind of looks bullish in my opinion. So I'm playing this break above this prior candle here. So or AMD, it might have said Nvidia. So I'm in two contracts there of the 109 calls. So look good. That yellow line's prior to his high right there. Um, but so okay, so we're getting up there to. I threw an order at 236 for two of them. I'm in four contracts, by the way. I forgot to mention. So I'm in four contracts with a 219.5 average. I would have made like $60, so I would have been filled there. But I didn't. Ivy kind of dropped out once it just fell short of the prior day's high, which is like I said, that dash yellow line. And now it's forming an M pattern. Not looking good. By the way, my video camera is messed up right now. Or I didn't want to restart OBS once I made up all these scenes, so you're not going to get to see my beautiful face today. And yeah, so I was out there at 51 seconds, so 7 seconds ago. Got out, so I lost $110 on that trade. Go down 143, 150 with commissions. Next trade's on Tesla. Tesla's on the far left here. So we have this sort of bear flag, and I'm in 1705 put at 558. I mean, it's kind of looking like maybe it's going to trap, maybe not. Anyways, I'm getting tired, so I'm just going to kind of fast forward this. So I get squeezed out there. I mean, I really had a tight stop. And it's too bad because it ends up working there. Okay, so yeah, that goes to the next trade. Next trade's right here, just a few minutes later. Got out 4 minutes ago. Now I am the 705 put. 620 is my cost. Looked like it was gonna go down, but then it just couldn't really get follow through. You know, I'm in at 620. There's like, or at 690 a second ago. They could have made like some of my losses there, but if I would have had an order out on the ask because we were just dropping really good there, but it didn't happen like that. So we got this hammer candle, the prior candle right here. It just looks crappy bullish here. At this point, I was kind of thinking, okay, maybe I'll use that pink line, which is prior day's close, as my stop. And I was like, well, if it gets over the 8 EMA, which is where it's at right now, then not looking good. We're within, we're basically in a chop zone here. We're, inside of 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, basically. So long story short, I get squeezed out, I believe. Yeah, so I get squeezed out there. And what ends up happening on the trade is I think maybe it breaks down there. I'm not sure, but next trade is on. No, it didn't. So next trade's on Boeing in the middle here. So I was buying the dip here. I bought a little bit ago, got stopped out. Only one contract, 145, 156 to 145. I bought three at 156 because I thought I'm just risking off just that prior low right here. Thought maybe I'll buy the dip in this flag pattern. BA was showing a lot of strength, which is just apparently just to trap some bulls because it didn't really have follow through. So it's looking okay there, but I'm barely break even, barely up on the trade, and it's moved a little bit. So these contracts kind of suck right now, just because no real volumes coming into them, and they're getting sold into. Each candle's getting sold into, so a lot of red on the tape. And since I'm tired, I'm just going to show you. Boom! I get stopped out, and look what happens. Right here, I was like almost break even right there. So these contracts just really sucked today, and the whole play sucked. So final trade that I have is Tesla on the left here. Coin does look good on the right, but on the far right, but it's not what I have. I have Tesla on the left, and let's go. So I'm in 1,715 call at 586. Approaching that pivot high. Couple pivots. We got some technical levels above. I was really hoping this could get above and really rip, but a lot of red, a lot of below bid side and below bid coming through on the tape right there. That wick got really sold into. Shooting star candle, I believe, or inverted hammer, whatever the heck that candle's called. Decent side volume too on the sell side. Okay, so we're getting a breakout here. I like it. We're at 620, 630. I'm gonna barely up in the contracts. They kind of stuck a little bit because it looks like we're getting a decent move and they're barely moving. It's really slowing down. A lot of red coming through on the tape. Some mid prints. For Tesla, this is pretty slow. As you can see above too, that daily chart looks pretty damn good. Let's just sold off. So I get out at 5:59. So $29 there. So I finished the day down 5.5%. It's unfortunate, but bound to happen. I haven't had a red day like this in a while. So, anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And also another thing, I sized up recently, and this is bound to happen. My red days are going to be a little bigger occasionally. So, hopefully, but I got to look at where I went wrong and learn from it. And that's what I'm doing now. And so I did my journal and. So, and just so you can see real quick, here is what I do. Hope you have a wonderful day and hope you have some good trading this week. Take care. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.